So the fashion shoot experience is basically an event that is the ultimate non-workshop workshop. So there's no teaching. You basically get on and you shoot 5 phenomenal looks through the day. All the time is spent on a playground of creativity, and we don't hold your hands, but we push you forward and we give you the confidence to basically be a professional photographer. Whether you're a pro or semi-pro or amateur, you get the opportunity to shoot a couture level production for the whole day in a top-notch location. That's what we lay on for you, and that's what you get for a tremendously bargain price.
People who try to put these productions themselves, they know how much money and effort and headache goes into putting it together. In this case, they come and it's all prepared, it's all produced for them. So let me ask you this, guys. Photographers come, they take incredible photos. Can you give some ideas what people can do with these photos?
Yeah, so basically we've been doing these for so long now that we have the benefit of plenty of hindsight to see the diversity of what people make on our shoots. You've had photographers make fantastic fashion shoots that they've contributed to magazines, and some of these stories can be quite surrealistic and some can be quite stripped down and more conventional, which is important to note because not all photographers want to do things bells and whistles. They want to create really, they want to break it into the fashion world basically and create very striking fashion stories. People getting images licensed, people creating images for their advertising portfolios and getting advertising work. Basically, every facet of every photography field has been ticked with the work that I've seen people produce over the years.
Literally, you've got free reign to do with what you want with the images. We've been very honest and clear about that over the years, and people love the fact that they have this freedom.
Yeah, and really, really, actually a huge thing to say is that people get full rights release with their images, right? This is something that no other workshop will ever give you, let me tell you that, right? And certainly, if it was a workshop with 5 models, top-notch styled, you would not be getting full rights release. It's huge what we give you because you are able to then take these images and do what on earth you want with them. And we stipulate that with the model releases. So everybody gets model releases for all the images they take. And that is gold. Really makes the price, makes the ticket price just beyond unbelievably worth it.
There's a big stipulation of freedom to do what you want with the images. There's so many workshops where they just, no, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do this, you can't do that. Well,
So you can make fine art pieces, you can submit them to fashion editorials, you can license the images, you can sell the images, you can pretty much do whatever you want with the images within reason as long as it's not anything, defamatory against the model. Within the professional field of photography, you are free to do what you like. Obviously, I'm a fine art photographer who has used fashion to make these standalone pieces as part of my Surreal Fashion collection, which has gone worldwide and exhibited and put in luxury venues, and it's become really quite a best-selling series. So mine's very much about timeless fine art.
Regarding someone who never attended a workshop or an event of similar caliber or similar concept, and maybe a little shy, what would you tell them?
Don't shit your pants. Sorry, I had to say that.
No. I would say the opposite. I'd say shit yourself for the first 5 minutes. Get it out of the way. And I've seen it numerous times. Some people who have never been to a workshop before. And again, this is one of the reasons it's great about this event. Is because it's always been, I've always called it the bridge between a workshop and a client shoot.
It reminds me of there have been people that have shat their pants at the start. And then by the end, they're absolutely amazed and they're glowing and they've got all this confidence and they write a testimonial for me later, which tells me how much our shoot changed their lives. And there's a whole load of testimonials on our website of people from all the shoots we've done through London, New York, LA, Iceland, France. They've come out at the end of it just feeling like they've been reborn.
And it's
no exaggeration.
And that's why I say get it out of the way. You get this nervous energy, and once it's gone and you're in front of the model and you're having a bit of fun, then all of a sudden people blossoming in the afternoon, they're having such good fun. Numerous times, people who've come for one day on the Saturday and said to me, have you got any spaces left for tomorrow? And that's why some photographers do by the weekend, because they know that they come for the first day and there might be a little bit of nerves and they get to know the models and the location. Second day they're coming in, they're bounding that. Oh yeah, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I know where this is.
People want to know, do you provide any lighting or they bring their own?
Everyone will be bringing their own lighting. We find that it works much better. People know their own equipment. They're very au fait with it, moving it around, setting it up. It just makes the whole setup so much quicker.
In general, what people need to bring?
Lots of enthusiasm.
Camera, plenty of memory cards.
Yes.
They can bring their laptop if they want to look at pictures through the day, which I see photographers doing. Obviously, their lighting. If some photographers don't shoot with lighting, most photographers do bring a strobe. And lots of enthusiasm. And that's pretty much it. We have a group on Facebook, Miss Aniela Fashion Shoot Experience group. So we have everybody who's interested in our events asking questions about them. We post updates and things like that to join there. And also the website itself, fashionshootexperience.com, has always got the full details of every event that we're planning. And also it has lots and lots of videos of the events we've done through the years, and information, testimonials, and loads more on fashionshootexperience.com.
Yeah, just email us at contact@missaniela.com and we're happy to answer any questions you've got.
Yeah.
Amazing.